In today's class, you're going to learn EVS Lesson 3 Nature's Bounty. As we have already discussed about leaves, flowers, and vegetables, in today's class, you're going to learn about fruits. Fruits are the source of many nutrients. Fruits contains vitamins and minerals, which helps us to boost our immunity. Now, let us learn about the healthy benefits of fruits. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. It helps to strengthen your immunity and keeps your energy level high. Bananas can boost your brain power and promotes healthy bones. Guava reduces the risk of diabetes and stabilizes the blood pressure levels. Mango is a low-calorie fruit which is high in fiber and a great source of vitamin A and C. Strawberries are bright, red and juicy. They are very rich in antioxidants. So, children, consuming lots of fresh fruits keeps you healthy. Thank you and have a healthy day.